Hello dear students, I know you were waiting for me. The wait is finally over. So before moving forward, let me introduce myself. I'm Kaushal Sharma, your new English educator. I have graduated with English as a subject and I'm currently studying psychology. And I have 3 years experience in teaching. So as we know, our exams are in April and for that we have to study really hard, for which we have to start now. So let me give you a quick brief. What are we going to have in our sessions? We will be starting with one short sessions and practice sessions. So हम इतना practice करने वाले हैं that you are going to appear for your exams confidently and you would for sure have best results. So our sessions will be starting from 1st of March for 9th and 10th grade English that you can join on Vidyakul app that can be downloaded from Play Store and on YouTube on Pradeep Kshetrapal channel. Soon we will be sharing the timetable with you so that you can make your schedule according to all your subjects as the exams are nearing. So comment करके बताओ, are you ready or not?
विद्याकुल अभी डाउनलोड करें।